Hey everyone, it's Sarah. Thank you for joining me today. We're going to be making easy coffee filter flowers. You're going to need some coffee filters, wooden skewers, scissors, and a hot glue gun and some glue sticks. So I'm going to be showing you the process starting with cutting and then building the flowers and then finally displaying them. Before we get to the cutting, there's a few things that you need to know. Each flower is going to consist of 3 to 5 coffee filters. So there's no need to cut each individual coffee filter. You can stack 3 to 5 together before you start cutting them. I'm going to show you 3 different cuts that you can make. Straight cut, petal cut, and scalloped cut. So let's get to the cutting part. So now I'm going to show you the process for making the flowers. I'm going to be using 3 straight cut coffee filters. You're going to follow this process for every flower that you make. I've got my 3 coffee filters. I'm going to take a skewer and I'm going to push it through the middle. Now this can be a little bit tricky, especially when you get up to 5. So one way you can do it that makes it a little bit easier, put the skewer against the table and pull the coffee filters down. Hey, now that I've got them on there, I need to separate each of my filters so I can clearly see and have space between each of the layers. And now it's time to glue. So I'm going to flip it over. I want the blunt end on the top, and I'm going to add glue just really to this first inch of the skewer. Then I'll pull up my first layer and do a kind of pinch motion. Then I'm going to start here a little bit on the skewer and then go up onto the last layer of my coffee filters. Then I'll slide the coffee filter up and do that pinch. And we'll do that again. A little bit of glue on the skewer and then up. Okay, so now that I have a few flowers made, it's time to display them. I'm going to leave mine with just the skewer out. If you would like to make these look a little bit fancier, you can get green floral tape. They have it at the Dollar Tree, and wrap the skewer in it so that it looks more like a stem. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use some white coffee filters. I'm going to kind of stuff it into the bottom. I'll use one of my flowers to kind of push that down. All right, great. Then I am going to pick out the flowers I'm going to use. This. Oh, yes. That looks great. Okay. Then I'm going to kind of stack a few coffee filters here, okay? So I'm going to hold the coffee filters and push all of them through. Then I'm going to find my bottom coffee filter and pull my flowers back up and then kind of push down again so that they're covering the bottom of the skewers. Then I'm going to grab my second coffee filter, going to push it down, grab the first one, pull up. All right. Push those down. Oh, and then I keep pushing and my skewers are covered. Now, if this does not quite go as planned the first time, it's okay. What I found was that if I used 2 skewers, I could kind of chopstick it to pull them up out of the bottom to a place where I could reach my hand in and pull the coffee filter out and try again. So I think these are going to look really great on my kitchen table, and no water, no sunlight, just pretty all of the time. I hope you enjoyed this craft. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, bye for now.